Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Do you know what do we learn today? Today we will learn sounds of all the letters and then we will start reading of vowel sounds. Yes, do you know all letters have different sounds. सब letters की sound different होती है. आपने क्लास में learn करी है ना, A, B, C सबकी sounds different है. A says A, B says B, K says K, L says L. ऐसी ही सबकी sounds different है. आपकी मैम की sound different है, मिनी की sound different है, आपकी sound different है. We all have different sounds. You know, जब हम वॉवल साउंड को सेंटर में रखते हैं और टू को मिक्स करते हैं तो हमारा क्या वर्ड बनता है? 3 letter word. Now we will learn reading of 3 letter words. Minnie, you want to learn 3 letter words? Oh yes, you are also excited. Minnie also wants to learn 3 letter words. Now we will start reading of A sound word. What is written here? Apple cap. Come on everyone.
Apple cap.
Good. Now which word is this? Very nice. Yes, which word is this? Bag. Yes, what is written here? Yes, the orange jar. Now, who will tell? Come on. Yes, it's fantastic. Very nice. So, orange car. Very nice. Okay, now who will tell this word? Van. Very good. What is this? Map. Apple. Map. What is written here? Pen. Very good. Okay, now let's start the reading of I sound words. Okay, all are ready? Now see what is written here. The apple sip. What is written here? In a bin. The apple sit. Yes, what is written here? In a bin. Now what is written here? Lid. Now what is written here? The dip. Yes, what is written here? Apple nip. What is written here? Apple bib. Bib. Very good. Very good. Now we will start the reading of O sound word. Okay. Now we'll tell. What is written here? What is written here? Yeah. What is this? The toy. Written here. Pot. Now what is written? Box. Now who will tell this word? What is written here? Box. Now the last word is Come on everyone, clap for yourself. Thank you.